Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We will continue part 2 of our wonderful fashion journey. If you would see what I'm wearing at the moment, you would say, girl, you're the last one to give us fashion expressions. But okay, let's start. This is the vocabulary from our last lesson. You can either press pause and check them out. And if you are not familiar with them, you can watch my other video and then come back, of course. So we had vocabulary about clothing, shoes, and accessories. First, we just need to learn the colors. Without colors, we have no idea what we're talking about. In fashion, I mean. Die Farbe, the color. Die Farben, the colors. Okay, let's read together, I translate, and then I give you a little grammar explanation how to use it. Lila, rosa, rot, orange. Don't say the E. If you say it with the E, it sounds like the fruit, orange. But we don't say that. We say orange. Gelb, braun, grün, türkis, hellblau, blau, dunkelblau, schwarz, grau, weiß, violet, pink. Now you can leave in the comments below if you think purple and violet is the same. In my opinion, it is. Rosa is the soft color and pink is like this harsh pink color, of course, like a Barbie pink, I think. So what do we have here? It's not over yet. I want to give you some hints. Here we have in the blue line, I don't know why they always do it with blue. It goes with almost any color except black and white. Hell, dunkel, hell, and then the color makes it light, something, something, light blue, light green, and so on. Dunkel, and the color makes it dark, dark blue, dark red, dark pink even. So you can remember this separately and add it on any color you want to express darker or lighter. And I want to give you some other expressions for gold, silver, and stuff like that. So gold, of course, we don't write it in a capital letter. It is an adjective. We always write it with a small letter. It's not a noun. Gold, silber, silver. And I want to give you this word here, metallisch, metallic. So if you want to say her bag looks metallic, or it is turquoise, turquoise, metallic, or whatever, you can say metallisch. And another word I want to give you for colorful, if we have so many colors we cannot even handle it, we say bunt, colorful. Okay, this is the first part. And now we dig even deeper into the world of colors and patterns. So let's go to the left side. We will read together and then we will, of course, make some nice sentences. Getupft, gepunktet. This is how we describe something. It is dotted, we would say. For example, seine Krawatte ist gepunktet. Translation, his tie is dotted. So to be honest, the first one, getupft, we don't say that often. It sounds a little strange. Gepunktet is much better. So his tie is dotted. Now we want to say the dots are white, for example. Then we have the nouns here, der Tupfen or der Punkt. And again, Tupfen, I don't like so much, so I give you the second one. Die Punkte sind weiß. The dots are white. This is one way to say something. If I want to say the colors and the pattern, I have to say, even in English, I think, it is red, white, dotted. So we have a nice expression also in German. Rot, weiß, gepunktet. Dotted in red and white. We don't know if it is white on red or red on white. This is open here. Okay, next one. Gestreift. Gestreift means striped. We can either say quergestreift, striped from left to right, like this, or längs gestreift. Striped from up to down. So sidewards and upwards, I think we can say. The noun is der Streifen, the stripe. So if we say his shirt is striped, sein Hemd ist weiß-schwarz gestreift. His shirt is striped, white and black. The same as we said the dots are white, we can also say the stripes are black. Die Streifen sind schwarz. The next pattern is the squares. We say das Karo, the square. And to describe it, we say something is squared, so to speak. Es ist kariert. Yeah? For example, ihr Kleid ist bunt kariert. Bunt we had before, it is colorful. So her dress is squared in many colors. This would be more like that. If you went to school, you know you have different college notebooks, college blocks, I think we say. Some of them are like this, and some of them, especially for math or for other things, for physics, we have it like this. Then we can say, I remember it really well, the teacher said, take a piece of paper. And then we said to the teacher, the squared one. So, das karierte Papier, yeah, the squared paper. And then the teacher said, no, this one with the lines. Das linierte Papier, the paper with the lines. Just a little nostalgic moment here. Okay, next one, we have gemustert. Das Muster. Das Muster is like the pattern, and something is patterned, gemustert. If you have the pattern here, you can say so many things, an oriental pattern, an ethnic pattern, a flower pattern, and. You can say so many things with pattern. And we will go to the first example, of course, with the floral print, geblümt. Something is, can we say floral? I don't think so, but something has a floral pattern, ist geblümt, and the noun for that, das Blumenmuster, the flower pattern. So we use this vocabulary to go to the next one, so to speak. For example, im Sommer trägt sie Röcke mit Blumenmuster. In summer, she wears skirts with a floral pattern. If you want to say, I hate pattern clothing, ich hasse gemusterte Kleidung. I hate patterned or printed clothing. Ich trage nur einfarbige Kleidung. Some people do that. So, I hate clothing with patterns. I only wear one-colored, einfarbig, one-colored clothing. So we can say einfarbig, we can say zweifarbig for two colors, dreifarbig, and everything that's more than three colors, for me it is colorful, which we say bunt. Wavy, something is like that, so really soft waves. We say gewellt. For the wave itself, even in the ocean, the wave is die Welle. And again, we combine it with Muster to say the wave pattern. For example, Wellenmuster ist in. What does it mean? It's not the German in the bookstore or in the house or whatever. It is the English one for trendy, right? Something is in and out. So we want to say wave patterns are in trend. They are in. The next one with a little harsher pattern like this. This sounds strange. Die Zacke. Die Zacke is like this little pointy thing. Only one. Die Zacke. The plural. Die Zacken. And the pattern again. Das Zickzack-Muster. Zickzack is just an expression to say that something is in a zigzag. Even in English we do that. So can we say in German, her pants are zigzagged? This sounds really strange, right? So let me try. It would be like that. Ihre Hosen sind gezickzackt. But who wants to say that? If you want to say it without sounding like a 4-year-old, you can say, Ihre Hosen haben ein Zickzackmuster, or second option, ein Zackenmuster. So her pants have a zigzag pattern. The last one is so out of the box that I had to look it up. As you see, I am fashionista here. Just kidding. I have no idea. So this one here is called Der Hahnentritt. Hahn is the, I think it's cock in English, right? The male chicken, the cock. And Tritt is the kick. So the kick of the cock. This sounds wrong. I don't know. But if you see the printer, it looks like little feet of chicken or male chicken. It looks like footprints. So this is the pattern here, but you don't have to know that. I mean, I didn't do this chart. This is why I give you the source if you want to check it out. But to be honest, we don't say this one. Sorry, but we don't. Okay, great. Let's go to an exercise so we can use everything now. To be honest, I would like from you to press pause and to try to describe her clothing and then continue watching. I think it's the best way. Of course, I know not everybody has the time, but if you're serious about learning, if you really want, then press pause and try to express her fashion as much as possible. If I would if I would describe her, I would start from the basic clothing up, down, and then I would go to the accessoires. Okay, this is what I would write. Sie or die Frau trägt ein bauchfreies weißes Top mit sehr kurzen Ärmeln. Bauchfrei means that the top is shortcut. It shows the belly or the stomach because she doesn't have a belly, of course, but you know what I mean. It is, if you translate it word by word, stomach free. Stomach free. So she wears a stomach free white top with very short sleeves. Her pants are long and striped green and white. Ihre Hose ist lang und grün-weiß gestreift. Die weißen Streifen sind sehr dick. Here I want to say the white stripes are really thick. Dazu trägt sie grüne und weiße Converse-Schuhe. Dazu means with that. With that, she wears green and white Converse shoes. I think it's Converse, it looks like it. Next part. Ihre Sonnenbrille ist rot und sehr retro. Her sunglasses are red and very retro. Retro is another adjective for old school. Ihre Bauchtasche hat die gleiche Farbe. Here again we have Bauch in a noun, which is the stomach bag, if you translate it. It's like this kind of, back in my day, we would call it teacher bag because our teachers had this sometimes. But in English, maybe it's like a fanny pack. Do I remember it correctly? So her bag has the same color, die gleiche Farbe. Sie ist klein und glänzend. I say she because it is the bag. And bag is grammarly speaking female. Klein, small. Glänzend means shiny. So this is how I would describe her. I hope you understood everything. Keep in mind, if you put the adjective or any other information in front of the noun, you have to change it accordingly to its gender or if it is nominative, accusative, and stuff like that. I have another cool picture here. I know I don't have so many viewers yet, or at least not so many comments. But if you want to make a German practice, you can describe this handsome young man, his clothing, and leave it in the comments below. I will answer and correct it if you want. Like this, you will get a little exercise session on the house if you want. This is it. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram. It is Los_Learn German. We try to make announcements, quiz, and other fun stuff. I appreciate you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon then. Bye!